Okay, so the next one is a barbell hip thrust, but for a B stance. So all you're gonna do to start with, load yourself up, get your bar. In terms of what you can brace on, this could be a plyometric box, like a smaller one. This could be the bench, this could be a decline bench. You may be lucky and already have a glute station to begin with. So from here, get yourself under, roll it on, use a pad if you want to. You're gonna load yourself up like you would on any other hip thrust. From here, women, I want your bra strap on it, roll your shoulder blades back. With my heels, I wanna make sure that when I get to the top, I'm creating a right angle. So I don't want my feet too close, I don't want them too far out, I want them in the middle. That's where you start from. Once you get the top, change it into a B stance. So all you do is you can put one foot forward, leave the other one there. Slight little change, that's it. I'm gonna come down and come up. The purpose of this is it means that I can focus more dominantly on one leg. So right now, because this one is closer, it means I can put 70% of the work on this one, 30% on this one. You can do it like this, okay? I would recommend, if you have a weaker leg, you start with that one first, because that can set the pace and tone for the rest of them. So if your weaker leg can only do 6, make the other leg do 6. Have a go.